Hello everybody, this is Jose from the Stock Market 101 channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day. And as always, if you haven't checked out my latest videos, I suggest you go check them out real quick, and let's get right into the video. Holy crap guys, huge news coming in from Aurora Cannabis, and as you can see, up 17.74% today, and it's not only this stock right now, it's basically the whole industry that's gone up. As you can see here, canopy growth up basically 30%, and we got Tilray up 10.22%, $11.14. So let's go see what's going on. As you can see, Aurora Cannabis up 15%, pre-market on talks with Coca-Cola on this cannabis drinks. Holy crap, the big dog Coca-Cola talking with Aurora Cannabis. As you can see here, that Coca-Cola is in the talks of aimed at developing a cannabinoid-infused drinks. That is insane, guys. And here's another article right here, and let's go over it real quick. Aurora Cannabis led pot stocks higher after Coca-Cola said it's eyeing the cannabis drinks market, becoming the latest beverage company to tap into the surging demand for marijuana products as traditional sales slow down. This is really good news. If Coca-Cola does decide to invest in Aurora Cannabis, that stock is going to go up insane amounts. Coca-Cola says it's monitoring the nascent industry and it's interested in drinks infused with cannabinoid, I believe that's what it is, the non-psychoactive ingredient in marijuana that treats pain but doesn't get you high. We are closely watching the growth of non-psychoactive cannabinoid, I believe, as an ingredient in functional wellness beverages around the world. The space is evolving quickly, but no decisions have been made at this time. The discussions with Aurora are focused on this infused drink to ease inflammation, pain, and cramping, according to BNN Bloomberg report. This CBD or cannabidiol, I guess that's what it's you pronounce it, is a chemical in the pot plant, often used for medicinal purposes, and doesn't produce the high that comes from the THC or tetrahydrocannabinol. My god, this is a long word. There are no guarantees of any deal between Aurora and Coca-Cola. So this is just news right now, but if Coca-Cola does make a deal with Aurora, it's going to be huge for the whole market for cannabis. It's going to be huge. But if they don't make a deal with Aurora, that's going to make a huge sell off. Watch, it's just going to happen. If they don't strike a deal, hopefully Coca-Cola could find another company, so all of the cannabis companies could grow stronger, because Coca-Cola is coming in. More companies are going to slowly start to come into the space and grow this whole emerging industry up. Onto Aurora's comment. While marijuana remains illegal at the national level in the US, there is a growing acceptance of the use of CBD derived from marijuana to treat illnesses ranging from chronic pain to anxiety and epilepsy. The first ever medical treatment derived from a marijuana plant will hit the US market soon, after regulators in June gave an epilepsy treatment by GW Pharmaceuticals PLC the green light. Super exciting news. I hope everyone's getting as much money as possible, and I do have super small positions in it, but I'm just planning on to hold, because right now this is just news. But once the deal does strike, and if it does strike, then I think it's going to grow exponentially from there. And yeah, maybe I'll keep adding some more shares. And let me know, guys, are you guys gonna hold, or are you guys gonna sell off right now for some profit, or are you guys planning to get in? Let me know in the comments. And other than that, guys, drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next one.